Hello everyone! Today I will share my personal opinion about some of the best pool skimmers for debris. For the price and more information, click the link in the description below. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which pool skimmers for debris are you using right now? And what is your opinion on it? Let me know in the comments. Your support will help to keep me running, so please subscribe to my channel. Number 1. Hayward dynaskim above ground skimmer. Hayward has been the industry standard automatic pool skimmer for decades, and it's easy to see why when you drop this gem into your pool at home. It is designed to fully meet all the demands of an above-ground pool. The basket of this unit is molded from a single piece of UV-resistant plastic. The debris basket in place is generously sized so you won't be continually emptying it out. Like all the best pool equipment, this skimmer is set to forget by nature. This allows you to spend more time enjoying your swimming pool and less on pool maintenance. Now, if you're not especially technically inclined, you may find the instructions leave something to be desired. While you can unearth plenty of instructional videos on YouTube, that's hardly the point. You shouldn't need to do this, and we hope Hayward rectifies this blot on an otherwise immaculate copybook. You get a butterfly basket included, and this provides the gasket for inside and outside your pool. Number 2. PoolSkim Pool Cleaner and Skimmer. Next up is another effective automatic pool skimmer and cleaner combined. If you're looking for the ultimate ease in pool cleaning, this model is well worth popping on your shortlist. This skimmer makes use of what's known as the venturi suction effect, utilizing the power of the water returning to the pool to suck in all dirt and debris like a magnet. This is then trapped in the clip-on mesh bag. Rather than attaching to your pool filter, this unit instead fixes to one of the return jets at the side of your pool. This is how it develops the suction outlined above. You'll get standard male and female connectors bundled to save you an immediate trip to the hardware store. Setting this skimmer up is straightforward even if you've never used one of these things before. If you have an INTEX pool, this skimmer is not compatible, so you should consider one of their proprietary skimmers that makes a better fit. One of the key selling points of this skimmer is the way you reduce the burden on your pool filter. Number 3. ProTough Pool Net. If any portion of this professional grade, heavy-duty pool skimmer net ever breaks, fails, or tears, simply contact ProTough for free replacement parts or a complete replacement of the entire pool rake as per the manufacturer's lifetime product warranty. This is a manual rake measuring 19.5 inches, making it a neat fit for skimming both large and small pieces of debris. The frame is made from lightweight yet durable aluminum alloy. It won't bend, it won't twist, and it won't break under sustained use. The frame is tightly secured by the winged handle, giving you an even greater lifespan. At the business end of this skimmer, you get a double-stitched nylon bag that's built to withstand plenty of harsh treatment, pool chemicals, and UV rays. The plastic rim is expressly designed so it doesn't scratch up the surface of your pool as you're skimming. Enjoy more time using and less time cleaning your pool or pond with highly efficient pool cleaning tools from ProTough. Number 4. INTEX Wall Mount Surface Skimmer. If you have an INTEX filter in your pool from this specialist manufacturer, you should strongly consider pairing it with this automatic skimmer. You'll prevent much of the debris in your pool from hitting the filter, therefore prolonging its lifespan. For compatibility, you'll need an INTEX filter pump rated at a minimum of 800 GPH. If this sounds like the right fit for your home swimming pool setup, read on. By trapping debris before it has a chance to sink down to the bottom of your pool, you'll be taking preemptive action rather than waiting for a mess to clear up. The strainer basket of this unit is fashioned from hard-wearing polypropylene plastic. This won't degrade when it's exposed to pool chemicals or harsh sunlight, and this skimmer should return years of faithful service if properly maintained. The majority of user reviews of this skimmer are positive, although we found a common thread of complaints centering on the burden this unit places on your pool pump. Number 5. SkimmerMotion Pool Skimmer. The SkimmerMotion store is packed with alluring pool equipment that's designed to make your life easier. Now, this is an add-on device that's intended to work in tandem with your pool vacuum. You should find the skimmer is compatible with the bulk of pool vacs, but you should check with the manufacturer's list before committing to purchase. You'll also need a pool pump rated at 1 HP or above for best results. As your pool vacuum moves throughout the pool doing its work, the skimmer will run in parallel, sucking up the debris and accessing the places that your vac can't reach. The core aim of this skimmer is to clarify your pool by removing all the tiny particles of debris from it. You can eliminate particles smaller than 1 inch, but this skimmer is not meant for removing larger pieces of debris. You can also use this skimmer to remove rogue surface particles from your pool water without being forced to rely on chemicals. Thank you for watching this video. To get more informative videos, please subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.